YouTube, your boy JD Boss, man. Back at the airport, about to catch my flight, head back to Phoenix, y'all. Yeah, Christmas and New Year's, everything was a breeze, man. I'm gonna give y'all a recap on what I did do, you know what I'm saying? Turn over the family a little bit. Not a little bit dumb, but not enough there, you know what I'm talking about? That's just what it is, man. So, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna slide back to Phoenix. Hold on, my boy here, man. Currently on the plane. And we are no time with this nigga now. Turn y'all back on once I land. Narrate for the video of this past weekend.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just looking for a passenger. Just need to know if you're on board. You're not in trouble. Just need to know if you're on the plane. Looking for Zeta Campos. Zeta Campos. If you're on the plane, ring your call button.
That way you know when I post my videos, you dig.
Zeta Campos.
Back in Phoenix, man. So yeah, man, just moved around early morning. You know, I gotta go get a workout in. So I couldn't get no car footage for y'all back in Texas. You know, just during the holidays, everything's backed up. Everything, you know, is down. People, you know, left to go be with their families and stuff. So, you know, I just couldn't get nothing. So, you know, that's just what it is, man. But if you're at this point in the video, subscribe, like, hit that post notification, click on your turn on your bell, that way you know when I post my videos, you dig? Yeah, man, like I said, I'm currently going to the gym, get a little workout in, and that's just what it is, man. So, I'll turn y'all back on later. What to do, YouTube? It's your boy JD Boss, man. You know this thing, man. We out here, stepped out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Check the footwork. Check the footwork.
No. No, 20 motherfuckers.
Yeah, man. We out here, man. About to turn up a little bit. Let y'all see a little something, but you know what I'm saying? Turn y'all back on in a minute. Wham.
I'll turn this shit off, bro. We got some music right here. Just turn this shit off.
What to do? We out here. Reggie, where you at, boy?
I'm here. I'm the nigga your baby daddy scared of. I'm the nigga your baby, your mama, your sister, and everybody else.